Hey YouTube friends, it is me, TeresaLouise. Guess what I got today? Oh my God, yes, I went overboard. Now, this was before my helicopter ride, let me just say that. Let's just get it open. Okay, so this is my box from So Yeah, down in Las Vegas, and they do a destash on YouTube every Saturday night, and you can get some pretty good bargains on Saturday night. I think mostly it's like $6 a yard. Fat quarters are like $2 1/4, $2.50, something like that. And then, you know, if you buy enough, then you don't have to pay shipping, which happens to be my case right now. So, and also, not only am I excited about the fabric, but I have their mystery box in here. So, if you know anything about that, they are putting out 5 mystery boxes. They're a little box that has 10 fat quarters in it, and it's a mystery what you're getting. And you may have a winning ticket in there. If you have a winning gold ticket in the mystery box, then you will have a chance to win $20,000 down in Las Vegas at So Yeah, in a sewing machine sewing, in a sewing competition, you know. The last person standing wins. It's a sew-off, basically. So let's get this open, take a look at the mystery box and the fabric I got. I already cut it. I haven't opened the mystery box. I'll tell you now, that was super hard not to do it. I'm like, just get this video going right away. All right. So here's my fabric. Cool. I wonder if I can wait just a little bit longer. All right, let's look what I got. I got some 1-yard cuts. It's very pretty. That one's really pretty. So I liked all of those. Yes, I did. They tie them in these little elastic bands, which is kind of cute. Okay, then I got this little bundle, a nice orange color, and then this one has farm animals on it. I thought I could make project bags out of that. And then this nice kind of a green with a blue. The background is green and then blue. It's pretty. And then I got these back quarters. These are really cute. They got like different colored polka dots on them. That one's cool. That would be great for the border. So that's really nice. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 fat quarters. Pretty, pretty. And then I got this little bundle of fat quarters, and it's, you know, red, white, and blue 4th of July stuff to put in. Add that to my stash. That'll be really cute. I know, I didn't need no more fabric, I know. Yes, I did. And then I picked up this bundle. Look at that. And this is from Riley Blake, and it's called Seeds of Glory, and it's by Stacy West. So, yeah. I'm thinking I got this because I really love the colors. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's kind of ripped open there a little bit anyway. I'm not going to take them all out, but it looks like there's a panel in here, and that's what I wanted to see. But you can see, aren't those beautiful? So I thought this would make a really beautiful quilt for my camper. But I do want to take this one out because this is kind of unusual. No, it's not a panel, but it would make really cute pillowcase. Just quilted up, wouldn't it? Yeah, there, it looks like there's a couple of those with different colors. That's what I might do with them. Let's see, there's one, yeah, two. Very pretty. And then I got some 5-yard cuts because, you know, we need those for quilt backings, and it was a pretty good price. And these are, well, I got one that's 108, and this is supposed to be K facet. So, oh, it's very soft, and it's very pretty. And I wish I would have had this for that other quilt that I just finished up, because that would have been really pretty on the back of that quilt. That was Layla Boutique, so I think it would have gone well. So you get like 3 yards. Yes, very pretty. And then I got 2 5-yard cuts. This one is, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It is little pink feathers on white. I don't know if it's coming across well or not. There, I think maybe. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. And then I got this really pretty green one. And it does have, it's kind of like aquamarine on the green side. Really pretty. And so that's all that's in that box. So, yay. There's some Muzos over there. All right, let's open this mystery. Let's open this mystery box. Okay, let's see what it says. Instructions. This box contains 10 mystery fat quarters that have been randomly selected. If you are one of 5 winners, you will receive a golden ticket. This ticket will give you a chance to compete for a $20,000 sewing machine. Oh, I thought it was cash. Or $10,000 cash. Cool. If not, you will receive a coupon. We hope that this is a lucky box. So I think that means, like, if you can't go and you want to turn the ticket in, they will give you a coupon or store credit. So anyway, and then I don't know what they do. Put it back out there or something. Okay, here we go, guys. Ooh, pretty fabric. Looks like I got some batiks. Cool, I got a bundle of batiks, you guys. Well, I'm happy about that. Okay, so the ticket is supposed to be in here somewhere around number 5. I don't feel it. I don't see it. I don't think I got it, you guys. Dang. Nope. Bummer. But I did get some really pretty batiks. I will show you. I'm really happy about that because I can use them in my batik or my art quilts. So that's all right. I didn't really expect to win anyway, but it sure would have been nice. Sure would have been nice. I think only 2 people have claimed them so far. It's pretty. I don't know if that's a batik or not, but it is kind of, oh, it's like a, look at that. Isn't that cool? Huh. It's pretty. And, oh, look, this here's the one. I've seen this on their show. It's got the little lambs, sheep. Cute. And then a green one. Yellow with purple stars. Got this one. This one. And this one. All right. Well, I don't feel any crinkling, so looks like I didn't get the golden ticket. Dang it. All right, that's what I got from So Yeah. So there you go. What'd you think? You guys go crazy on So Yeah too, like me? And did you get a mystery box? Let me know down in the comments, okay? So until next time, you guys, go make something. Have a great day. Bye.